Hello friends, today's topic 10 stocks with high chances of appreciation, that is RSI below 30. I am Dr. Bharath. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Nifty is at lifetime high. It is almost at 22,500 mark. The markets are likely to open positively on Monday too. There are currently some stocks which are in oversold zone for short term as per RSI. Whenever the RSI of a stock is below 30, it is considered oversold zone. Similarly, when RSI is above 70, it is considered overbought zone. Since the following list of stocks are in oversold zone, they have good chance of recovering or rallying in the short term. There is an overall market rally. Study the following stocks for any other short-term opportunities. Stocks in oversold zone based on RSI. Number 1, Narayana Health, returns in the last 1 month minus 14%, RSI 29.12. 2. Kansai Nerolac, returns in the last 1 month minus 11%, RSI 26.71. 3. Dr. Lalpas Labs, returns in the last 1 month minus 13%, RSI 27.16. 4. VRL Logistics, returns in the last 1 month minus 22, RSI 22.16. 5. Sundaram Fasteners, returns in the last 1 month minus 15%, RSI 29.39. 6. Ramco Cement, returns in the last 1 month minus 19%, RSI 28.64. 7. IIFL Finance, returns in the last 1 month minus 31%, RSI 27.77. 8. Century Plyboard, returns in the last 1 month minus 6%, RSI 27.55. 9. Timken India, returns in the last 1 month minus 15%, RSI 25.74. 10. Sumitomo Chemicals, returns in the last 1 month minus 8%, RSI 26.97. So track these stocks, and if they enter buy zone based on any technical analysis indicator such as 30 DMA, then you can consider buying for short term. The overall trend of the market is up, and hence it will help many individual stocks to rally too. However, if there is any fresh negative news specifically about these companies or in the overall market, then they may consolidate a little bit more before rallying. Although many of these companies are mid-cap or small-cap companies, if you know how to do technical analysis properly, then you can consider after studying. Usually a stock's RSI does not stay below 30 for a very long time. If the stock is fundamentally strong, then it will be likely to rally and RSI will go up much higher than 30 in a few days and weeks. Graduates of our advanced stock market course will be in a better position to take advantage of this opportunity since they would have learned the concept of RSI and techniques to use it for short-term trading. Now at the end of the video, here is a question. As per studies, women are generally better than men in trading, investing, because of which of these reasons? There are 4 reasons, you may have to choose one of them. A. Women are not usually overconfident. B. Women are usually more brilliant. C. Women are ready to take more risk. D. Women are more aware of financial instruments. If you are not the member of our channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.